Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really unique, really cool luggage case. This is a 20-inch case. It's all hard shell. Has a nice little cover on it, so if you did want to store it to keep the dust off, just hang on to this little fella. Fits right over there. It has your wheels. It has 4 different wheels on all corners. Swivels in all the directions, real nice and smooth. Of course, your standard lift out here to where you can move it around with you. Handle to be able to pick it up here. If you wanted to lay it down this way, just like any other standard suitcase, right? Well, this has got so many other features than a standard suitcase. I got to show them all to you. I'm going to bring you in here close so we can look at it. So here's the case up close. This is awesome. You've got your 360 wheels that move all around. You've got your standard zippers that open it up, and you can easily store things like your clothes. Got your little button closure here, your lock closure here that you can tighten up. Or on this side over here, you have a nice area that's got a nice mesh pocket to be able to see through, and another zipper that you can add extra things in here as well. Now on the top here, you've got a lock. This is actually a charging port. On the inside here, when we open it up, see this? Super cool. It opens up so you can easily access things like your laptop. You can get in there, grab your laptop out. You can add in different books. You've got a nice little area here that's got whether you want to put passports or a journal or whatever you're wanting to do. Put it right in there, and your little charging port cords are right here. So you can put a power bank in here and be charging your devices while you're sitting at the airport. When you're done with that, you just close that up. On the back side here, we've got another really neat area. Pull it out, cup holder. This thing is so cool. One of the last features that I wanted to point out is on the side here. If you lift these parts up, you can actually put a little bag right here. So if you bought a little something, you can just store it right here, carry it along with you, pick it up. This thing will roll all around. You've got your handles here if you wanted to carry it. This is a nice little suitcase that will be great for any sort of travel.